pick out your favorite cabinet.
Oh man.
Mine's easy.
You're running, why are you running to it?
Because it's The Price is Right.
Oh God, I don't have a favorite cabinet.
How do you not know?
Well, I like the Euro style.
Okay, well then bring it over.
Dude, that's a hard one, Christina.
Now go pick a countertop that goes with that.
Now that's easy for me. We'll just flip it upside down.
Now pick out a backsplash that goes with that style.
A backsplash? It's because I rearranged. I know where everything's at right now. Yeah, pick a gray or a black.
Darren, you still need to get a backsplash.
I wouldn't do a backsplash. I would do solid quartz across the whole back.
Okay.
Now go pick out a flooring.
Flooring? For the kitchen?
There's mine, concrete.
Mine's easy. These are my go-tos.
What's taking so long? Oh,
had to walk over and
that's a
get
good
it.
one right there.
No, it's a new one.
I like that one. That one's a real.
Oh, hardware?
Oh man,
That one may be for you.
that's a tough one too, huh? My design, I like colder, cleaner, smoother, and less lines. So it'd be a concrete floor, a clean wooden cabinet, black countertop with the same black backsplash, so it's solid, with cabinet handles that you only see the little tiny handles sticking out in front of them. And I would go with black handles with this cabinet.
Yeah, it's really cool. I like it. Mine is probably a more modern farmhouse look. I've got this new herringbone wood floor, which is really brand new to the market, and it looks amazing down. I've got a beveled edge subway backsplash, my most popular and famous loving Cambria Bentley quartz countertop, and then of course my medallion painted white, it's not even a pure white, it's an off-white cabinet with gray paint lining on the inside, and then of course some traditional farmhouse hardware.
So guys, which design would you choose? And tell us what you think, also what our designs look like on our projects.